This is Liberty stock number 50954. It is a Cosen model SH-1016YJM horizontal bandsaw with mitering capabilities. Serial number 904-25012.
Alright, move on in. We'll take a quick look around. Control panel, up down on the manual, feed control, stop and start. Come across, we have end stop. I can show the, when we get around, pick up the guard once real fast, maybe show the wheels. There's this guy, looks pretty good up in here. Maybe down there. We already mentioned the end stop here. Pick this one up, take a look. Brush is down there, blade brush. It's actually running too, it works. They got it set right. Coming around the back there, you got the pump down low. And then you work your way up to the vertical stop switch, which is settable obviously for the return of the blade. And the only thing worth mentioning back here, of course, is the clamp. And that works, manual clamp. And the miter back here if you want to take a quick peek at that, and then we'll run it. So we'll just leave it the way it is. We'll do the manual first. There's manual down, and you can see I can stop it or speed it up. And manual up. That's what we got it set at, right about there. I'll do an auto cycle. We can play with the feet a little bit more too while we do the auto cycle. It's fast. Slow it down a little bit. Leave it right there. Let it go back up. Do one more quick one. A little bit faster. Fast speed, fast speed. There we go. Now you get in there, you see the brush in, yeah, it's all working. I don't even know why this is up. I don't know if it should be adjustable. There we go. This actually should be down here. I don't know what it's doing up there. Stock stop. Works good. It all works. We're good here.